I've got a great Twitter example. This is, I smile every time I look at this or think about this. This was on a job that I was dealing with in Samsung. I was sitting in Korea. The job site was in the UK. We were building a great bridge, and bridges are totally awesome. If you ever get a chance to work on one, definitely do it. I never got a chance to see this one, but I got to see all the weekly reports. I got to see all the monthly reports. And dealing with Samsung, it was hard getting the right information that I wanted to use to know what was going on. The client had a Twitter site where every day they were actually taking pictures of the job site and posting the status to Twitter. It was amazing. This was the final section pour connecting the whole bridge. It's got the date on there. It's got a little note on there. You know exactly what happened live the second that was taken. And that's entering data once. And now, well, everybody could see it in the world, but you can restrict access to say, well, just people in our project might need to see this information. But these are my concepts of enter data once that I think are important. On the cash flow file, you can sort of do the same thing. You've got this big ugly file that you've got maybe 10 cost engineers going in and editing the cash flows or commitment profiles for each contract that you've got. Well, you could turn on a SharePoint list. You can have a little column on SharePoint for each one of your data fields. Now you've got the data in a structured data format. You got in a way where somebody can actually enter the data once. People can view it if they want. And you can actually do some analytics. You can draw some curves and graphs and histograms based upon that data. So if there's a takeaway, look at what you're doing and just think about, can I do this better? Can I do this in a way that more people can view or understand or even edit the data that I change? Or if you're trying to get data from somebody else, well, just let the other person key it in directly and don't do anything. I'm lazy at heart, so I actually don't want to do anything if I'm just taking data from somebody else. Let them do it.